In this video tutorial, I'm going to share it to you on how you can fix the 202401 security update error in Windows 11. So let's get started. Click on the Start button and go to Settings. From the list of options on the left pane, you have to click on System. Scroll down and click on Troubleshoot. Click Other Troubleshooters. Here you'll find Windows Update with the Run button corresponding to it. So click the Run button corresponding to Windows Update to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. This will help you detect and spot the issue or problem that you are facing on your Windows. And this will also give you suggestions and recommendations in fixing the issue. So simply run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. After doing so, right click at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. Then the next thing that we can do is to check for the Windows Update services. So go to the Windows search bar, type services, click on it under the best match. Look for the background intelligent transfer service. Right click, go to properties, change this to automatic and click on start. So make sure the service is running. Apply and then OK. And then scroll down to the cryptographic services. Here it is. Double click. Change that to automatic. Make sure this is running. So click on the start button, apply, and then OK. If it is already running, click the restart button on the left pane. This one. Then scroll down to the Windows Update Services. Double click. Change that to automatic. Service status. Click on the start button, apply, and then OK. And if it is already running, click the restart button on the left pane. After doing so, right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.